Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. Where can I buy XRP in the country that I live in? Well, guys, if you didn't know, YouTube's worldwide, and so when you ask me that question, I don't know what country you're in. But the good news is that XRP_Crow, and that's at STEDAS, this guy here just tweeted this out, and so I thought I'd do a video about it. XRP/Fiat map. Where can you buy XRP? 40 fiat currencies, 147 exchanges. And when you click on the link here, it brings you to this Ripple XRP/Fiat pairs in Euro USD, GBP, JPY, etc. And you can click this icon here and you can find your country. And then once you found the country that you live in, you can decide where you want to buy your XRP. So, for example, if you live in the United States of America, you can buy in USD at all these different exchanges. Now, they're not all American exchanges, but you can use the USD to purchase your XRP. Conversely, if you live in Croatia and you want to use Croatian kuna, HRK, you can go to Bitcoin Store or FEMA Plus. I live in Canada. I use CAD. I have used CoinSquare. I have used CoinField. I have used Einstein. I have not used Kraken, and I have not used Index. Nevertheless, a lot of currencies here. I thought this was a good resource, so shout out to XRP_Crow. That's at STEDAS. Follow him on Twitter if you aren't already. Again, I'll link this tweet in the description of the video. Just a quick video today for those of you newbies who perhaps want to buy more XRP and want to find a quick and direct way to do so. And so I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.